In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Charles Schwab app theme. We'll walk through the two main methods, adjusting the theme inside the app itself, and, if you don't see that option, changing it through your Android phone settings so the Schwab app follows along. Let's start in the Charles Schwab app. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. That's the main menu. Tap it to open the menu, then scroll down until you see Settings. Choose App Settings and then select Theme. Here you'll see three choices. Always Light gives you a bright, high-contrast look that stays light all the time. Always Dark switches the interface to a darker palette that's easier on the eyes in low light. System Default tells the Schwab app to follow whatever theme your phone is using, so it will switch automatically when your device does. As soon as you tap the option you prefer, the app updates right away. No extra confirmation needed, so you can instantly see which look feels best. If you don't find a theme option within the app settings, you can change it using your Android device's system theme. On your phone, open Settings, then go to Display. Look for Dark Theme or Light Theme. Turn it on for dark mode or turn it off for light mode. Then reopen the Schwab app. Many users report that the app automatically switches based on the Android system theme, so changing it at the device level updates the Schwab app's appearance too. A few quick tips to help as you choose. System Default is great if you want your apps to stay consistent and shift together. For example, if your phone is set to dark mode at night and light during the day, the Schwab app will mirror that. If you prefer a steady look that never changes, pick Always Light or Always Dark inside the app so it stays exactly how you like it. On some Android phones, menu labels may vary slightly. Display might be called Appearance, and Dark Theme might be listed as Night Mode, but the setting works the same way. That's it. Whether you set the theme directly in the Schwab app or let your phone's theme drive it, you'll have a cleaner, more comfortable viewing experience tailored to your preference. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new app look.